Hello everyone, so welcome to the today's video. So today we will talk about DLSS 5. It's in the news and it's in the headline everywhere here and there. So what is it? First we will see the official video from the NVIDIA. Then we will go through what they have improved. So this is DLS off and this is on. This is 5. So in this video we will just talk about what they have upgraded from 4.5 to 5. What is actually DLSS? And yep, so these are the few examples which NVIDIA shows. If you look carefully, you can actually, get the difference what they have actually created. So there is lots of controversies where people are liking it, and most of them are not liking it because it's changing the artistic view, what they do want to share, and what we are doing with the AI perspective, because it's a lot cleaner with the DLSS 5. Okay, so let's move inside. So you have seen the video, right? So what is DLSS 5 first? So it's a deep learning super sampling. So what they're actually doing, so let's imagine we have a frame in the game, right? And we are doing some post process over that frame. So this is what NVIDIA is doing, right? So in 4.5, what they have done, they were creating the frame generation at runtime with the AI technology, which was creating, like, if your game is running natively like 90 FPS with this type of technology, you can get it like 200, or more than that. They were super crisp, like they have worked on the resolution, they were pixel sampling it, fixed the anti-aliasing effect, and they have upgraded everything. But because of that, it was looking, clearer, and it was AI driven. But in 5, what they have done, they have completely changed the game by, changing the whole game scenario to the realistic side. So the example which they have shown, right? Okay, so behind the what they are doing, the frame which they have got, they are doing some AI thing over it, and they're also using the motion vectors. Like they are predicting where the things will go, and they are doing the post process then. So it's kind of like like, but it's not solving anything on the game budget perspective because it is working on top of it. And NVIDIA, what they have done in their current scenario, they were using 1590 and that to two. So there were two 1590, which is like $8,000, which is quite a lot, right? To run the game. Okay, so this is just one comparison between DLSS 5 off and on. So here you can see we have detail, a crisper detail. We have more information to read through, but it is also changing you know uh, the artistic approach. So let's imagine if I am the artist and I do want to have some different visuals on, and it is changing the game. So what NVIDIA has said, like they have keep things consistent, and we as a developer, we will have proper control over it. We can tweak things what we do wanna have change, how much effect do we want to change. So this is the extremities what they have shown here. So you can see how this particular frame has changed. Like the people are coming from here, one lady is coming from there, and how things are looking. Like it's little gloomy and it's evening, right? And here, if you will see, the gloomy thing is actually gone. It's actually very bright. So it's changing the perspective of the visual fidelity which artists want to showcase. Same here. So you can see it's very realistic. Like it's looking like we are in the studio actually. Like we have proper lighting and all. Here it is more from game perspective. In that particular frame, I do love that DLSS 5 on. It's just because of that visual which we are getting, but it's again, we are, touching the artistic view. Here we have again our Leon, and they have make it a lot realistic. But you can see here they have added some light which was not there, like it was very far away, so we were getting the subtle effect. But here you can see after DLSS 5 it is a lot closer, and we can see the the view, and it is in official documentation in video, right? And all these sorts are very slow motion. They are not they are not from very high FPS games. So I don't think it will look really really good when it comes to the competitive play match. So they have also added something in the uh, you know FIFA. So in the video you can see the t-shirt is flickering. I don't know how the physics is actually working there. So here you can see, right? Like when it's moving. No, no. So it's very see here it's flickering. So you can compare that when they are turning on in DLSS. I see it's jittering actually when we are turning it on. So I don't know. Maybe they will improve that, and they have promised like if it's not like on and off. So it's not like the black box. You will have the artist will have the proper control over it. What they do want to change, and in future we don't need the 25090s. Maybe like when they will launch the 60 series, they will say like in 6060 or in basic CPU GPU also in 60 series you can actually use this tech without having 25090 because they are still working on that. So it was just a glimpse of the technology. So this was it for today. Let me know if you do want to have more videos over it. We have few debates also. So they have created so people have created multiple videos, photos, just to mock the technology. I don't have any comments over it, like if it is good, if it is bad. If we have proper control over it, so artists who are from small studios, though those who don't have much budget, it's really good for those if they are looking for the photorealistic effect. But for big studios, I don't see any plus point because they do want to very precise when it comes to the visual, because what theme they do wanna set, what's the environment they wanna set. I don't think they will use it directly, but NVIDIA is already working with the big studio, so it's again a debate. So not sure how it will turn out. So this was it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.